Profit Pusher Review. Hello friends, I am Sid and today I am here to review Profit Pusher by Richard Williams, launching on 9th March at 9 a.m. EST. Profit Pusher is basically a software that gives you an instant turnkey authority review website so that you can get to keep 100% of the commissions while doing no work. The affiliate website is packed with 50 times affiliate programs, videos, reviews and 20k of bonuses for all of Richard's most profitable affiliate promotions of 2021, built right into one website, that is your site. With professionally written reviews, stunning graphics and call to action for all of these money-making affiliate programs, plus giveaway rights for over 20,000 worth of software. You can even add your autoresponder code to build your list while you monetize at the same time. You can also promote all of your social media sites, letting you build your social presence on the site too. With Profit Pusher, you get an easy way to become a super affiliate in 2021 by leveraging all of Richard's most profitable campaigns. Profit Pusher is a simple software which involves just 3 easy steps that you need to follow and start earning income from it. The first step is to activate the software. For that you need to enter your affiliate ID so you keep 100% of the commissions. The next step is to choose from one of the 100% done for you affiliate campaigns, and the third and final step is to get free traffic to all your affiliate links. Now let's see what you get with Profit Pusher software. You get a brand new website building software worth nearly $700. You get 100% done for your affiliate campaigns built in. You can instantly add your affiliate link. You get hosting and domain name included. You also get free traffic from 75 different sources built in. You also get 100% done for you content, 100% done for you niches. You also receive step-by-step training, and you can easily build your list at the same time. Remember, you are also covered with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if Profit Pusher does not give you the results that you are looking for, you can always ask for a refund within the first 30 days of making your purchase. Now let's take a look at the pricing of Profit Pusher and the various upgrades that are available. The front end of the product costs you $17, which is under an hourly dimesale, which means that the price increases every hour. So you need to get this as soon as you can to lock your Profit Pusher software at the lowest price possible. With this front end, you get the core software that lets you launch an instant done for you affiliate website. The first upsell of the product is the Unlimited Edition, which costs you $29, and with this you upgrade to promote unlimited offers to scale commissions even further. The second upgrade of the product is called Autopilot Edition, which costs you $39, where you can activate 60 affiliate programs per day and over 1500 campaigns instantly preloaded. The third upgrade of the product is Done For You Edition, which costs you $197. With this, an elite team will help you create done for you site for you, and all you need is your ClickBank ID to start profiting. The next upgrade is the Reseller Edition, which costs you $197, where you can earn 100% across the entire funnel selling the top selling Warrior Plus offers as if it was your own product. The next upgrade of the product is called Mega Bundle Edition, which costs you $97, where you get access to as many as 37 software tools that have a combined cost of over $3,000 to create. Now you can also monetize and preload your content, reviews, banners, and of course your affiliate links, promoting all of Richard's hottest affiliate programs, all bundled into your very own authority review site with 100% free hosting of the site on Richard's premium servers, and you even do not need a domain name. Your site comes pre-designed to maximize conversions, but with dozens of options to change the layout, add banners, opt-in forms, and much more. You will also receive 10 bonuses to give away along with all software tools which have a combined cost of over $20,000. Now your site is monetized with Richard's top converting affiliate programs with proven copywritten by a professional marketer. These done-for-you campaigns are all preloaded into an instant, fully hosted website. I'm offering some great bonuses if you decide to buy Profit Pusher through my link. So let's take a look at the bonuses that I am offering. Now my first bonus is A to Z launch jacking guide. My next bonus is free traffic frenzy. My next bonus is an introduction to affiliate marketing. And my next bonus is ultimate traffic mantra. You can get all these bonuses if you decide to buy Profit Pusher through my link. For that, you just need to click the first link in the description of this video, which will bring you to this page where I've listed all my bonuses. On reaching this page, you need to click on any of these blue tabs and on doing that you will be redirected to the sales page of Profit Pusher, where you can complete your purchase, and all these bonuses will be automatically added to your purchase, adding even more value to your purchase of Profit Pusher. Thank you so much for watching my Profit Pusher review. You have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.